I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Dry lines in Oklahoma are common for us. An interesting feature from the Mesonet National Dew Point Temperature Map on Wednesday at 5 p.m. was how a dry line extended from South Texas up past Oklahoma, then across Kansas, northern Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. The biggest variation in dew point temperatures Wednesday evening was in Oklahoma. Slapout had a 5-degree dew point. 40 miles east and Woodward, the dew point was 47. In the eastern part of the state, dew points were in the mid-60s. And yes, we had a tornado watch across north-central Oklahoma. 7 counties had county burn bans active on April 2nd. They were scattered across the state. Plant available water varied widely across Oklahoma from east to west on April 2nd. The eastern side of the state came in with close to 4 or more inches in the top 16 inches of soil, the dark green areas. Out west in the brown map areas, plant available water in the top 16 inches was extremely low, an inch or less. Here's Gary with a look at our latest drought status.
Let's start out with a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. Well, another dry, windy week gets us another large drought expansion. This time we saw severe drought expand across central into north central Oklahoma, basically due to reports of fires. Lots of wildfires have been going on. Ailing wheat. Wheat has started to go downhill a little bit, as many of you know. And also farm ponds, we're getting reports of those starting to dry up again across that area. So we've switched from moderate drought to severe drought in that area. Now it's easy to see why when you look at these Mesonet rainfall maps for January 1st through April 2nd. You can see that the southwest northeast gradient there, where the northwestern half of the state has basically received less than 2 inches of rainfall, and in actuality a lot of that area has received less than 1 inch. We can see less than 20% of normal for a lot of that area. Now some of it's less than 40% of normal, but still we saw a statewide average for that basically 3-month period of about 2.6 inches, which sounds okay, but actually that's, about 4 inches below normal. And if you look at the historical rankings for that time period, that's the 5th driest such period on record. So a really unfortunate start to the year to have one of the 5th driest starts again. Continuation of drought, and if we look at the U.S. monthly drought outlook, well, we still see basically the western half to maybe 3/5 of the state covered by drought still. That drought is expected to persist or even intensify. Now, at least that drought over in the eastern third or so of the state is expected to actually be completely removed. So that's good news for the eastern parts of the state. So again, hopefully, as you are watching this, it's raining in your area or you've gotten some rain to help out these drought conditions, and again, without the worst effects of the severe weather. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.